Want to run AI on your computer but don't know which tool to pick? Let me compare Pinokio, Ollama, and Stability Matrix so you can choose the right one. These are three popular tools that let you run AI models on your computer. No cloud, no monthly fees, total privacy. Pinokio is like Steam of AI apps. It installs everything with one click. Ollama runs language models like ChatGPT but locally. And Stability Matrix manages stable diffusion for making AI images. They all solve different problems, so the one you need depends on what you want to do. Let's break down what makes each one special. First, what they do. Pinokio handles all types of AI apps, image tools, voice tools, video tools, everything. Ollama only does text and chat models, and Stability Matrix only does image generation. Second, ease of use. Pinokio wins here with true one-click installs. Stability Matrix is pretty easy too. Ollama needs some command line work. And third, flexibility. Pinokio offers the most variety with hundreds of apps. Ollama has tons of language models to pick from. Stability Matrix focuses on stable diffusion interfaces. Fourth, computer requirements. Ollama runs on basic laptops with small models. Stability Matrix needs a good graphics card, and Pinokio depends on what app you need to install. Here's the simple answer. Pick Pinokio if you want to try many different AI tools easily. It's perfect for beginners exploring AI. Pick Ollama if you need private ChatGPT style conversations or coding help. Great for developers and privacy-focused users. Pick Stability Matrix if you're serious about making AI art and images. It's built specifically for that. All three are totally free and open source, by the way, guys. You can install all of them if you want and try them out and see which one fits your needs. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.